There, Jimmy. John Weaver from the West Coast. How you doing, my friend? It's been too long since I've done a video to you and for you. It's oh hell, it's about 3:38 in the afternoon here, and it's still raining out here. Cats and dogs and everything else. No, I didn't pick her up from the puddles out there anyway. Got your uh, got your postings, my friend. You've had those kind of days, I know. Days I'm having right now outside with rain on a basis for this weekend is not exactly helping me much either. It's supposed to be the rainy season out here, and unfortunately, it reminds me too much of the things we both have in common. Anniversaries and memories suck, my friend. I share your pain. I do. Holidays are usually the hardest damn things for me to get through, especially over the last or this past decade. I may have told you and I forgot about it. Back in 2013, I lost my ma. And about 2014, lost a surrogate mother and best friend. Lost a dog after that in 2015. In 2018, lost my big brother. Pretty shortly, it's going to be this dog's turn. I got a feeling. And yeah, it's been kicking me. During the winter time, regarding October, no, actually September is when Dave died. 8th of September. Ma died in the 30th of, no, actually it was the 19th of February, 2013. Originally she died on the 1st, it brought her back to life, and then it was a slow grind downwards. My family always liked the holiday season. Ma liked to have the place decorated, cleaned up. You'll probably see some other uglies in the background. If my mama was alive, she'd be forever on my ass. And so would Big Brother half the time anyway, but they're both not here. I have mamas. I'm doing a hell of a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. Trying to get through the grieving process over the past few years. And then politics kicked in and made everything else ugly as hell. But it's the winter time that gets me worse because it's not just the weather change. It's anniversaries and memories that are kicking my ass. I had been seeking and going to a therapist. Fortunately, she had to take about a couple of months off her respite. Maybe she had to need some downtime for herself because a lot of things happening in her life. First week of December, I'm supposed to be getting in contact with her, so I'm hoping to get an appointment with her. Oh, for the past decade, she has come from an active puppy down to a pain in the ass dog, senior citizen, old, blind, deaf, and wanting more and more. She's the mama's. Been doing 24/7 for her. a long time now. And when she started getting old and blind, and then not moving around so well, that's where I really had to stay home with more. And I'm not exactly looking forward to the day, that last day. I'm not, pal. I know we've had. It's never easy to put it into words, is it, Jim? It's never been easy for me to put it into words, even when I'm trying to find the right words myself to put it on the tube. Some people try to treat it cavalier. I know I tried a long time ago. Didn't work. Really didn't. I know. You just want to fuss, don't you? You just want to fuss. Other words we could say are not exactly going to be helping very much anyway. Except we're feeling each other's pain, pal. We're feeling it. One thing I hadn't been in my life, and I hadn't been on medications for anything. You know, at one time I was trying to get rid of acne and I damn near killed myself on a drug. Doctor didn't have the right information. It was supposed to be a wonder drug and damn near got me suicidal. I swore off medications. It's one thing getting antibiotics to nail off viral stuff and bacteria crap. But I've never been a big fan of the medical establishment, to tell you the truth. Me and needles and me and the doctor's offices don't mix. It's been a lifelong PTSD with these guys. People are supposed to grow out of it when they're kids. They're supposed to get used to it. That's what I've been told a long time ago. But shit, 4 years old, I get heart surgery. Born with a plumbing issue. 3 valves. Died 3 times, came back to life 3 times. How is a guy supposed to recover after that and feel comfortable with the medical establishment? Especially when they're trying to get the staples out of a chest with a staple remover. No anesthesia. Just rip the damn things out and you're supposed to be kidding. Oh, he's alright, Marianne. He's just in a lot of pain, but we need to get this thing out. And every language, or actually every curse I've heard in my 4 years of growth. Oh, was I yelling, screaming left and right. I was screaming bloody murder. I think I was swearing at that point. I'm never going to a doctor's office as long as I live. Every time they kept testing my blood pressure, it was always skyrocketing. A lot of fear and a lot of anger and a lot of hatred. And I wasn't having any of it. But I had no choice. 0 through 18, I had no choice. After that, I had a choice. Except living under my mother's roof, I didn't have any choice. I still had to keep checking my heart. Well, one valve was patched, the other valve was sewn, and the other one they kept leaking. The third one, that was the last time. Last time when I heard about it, I was back in, age 30. Went to the cardiologist to check my heart one more time. No problems. Yeah, that was about 30 years ago. Haven't had issues yet with the old ticker. But then again, I haven't put myself to the medical graces yet just to see if I'm broken down or not. I know I got diabetes. I got type 2 going. Neuropathy in both hands and feet. My family has history of type 2. My genetics. I'm not dealing with the damn doctors and turning me into a damn pincushion. Or worse, into a damn guinea pig. Tried. Said no. Here's even drugs to take care of my damn blood pressure. I said no. Fear, pride, hubris, PTSD, everything rolled up into one big no. I'm gonna die, damn it. But the thing is, I'm not looking forward to death. I've been there, done that. Thank you very much. I like the living. Thank you very much. And the bitch of it is, as human beings, we still got to deal with the medical establishment. You have better expertise in it than I do, my friend. You have trust in it. Somewhat. I don't. I don't. I'm not laughing about it either. There's no joke about this damn thing. I've been there. But not the way you have, my friend. You've been through both sides of it. I'd been a caregiver too. Caregiver to my grandmother as a teenager. And to a great aunt who didn't even realize it. Caregiver to my mama, helping out my brother. Work full time and I work as a retail clerk and then full time at the same time as a caregiver. When it was my brother's turn, 24/7 on that one too. It's never been easy. It's never been easy. So now I'm a caretaker of the ashes. And she just wants to fuss. She's 20 years old, or older than that. Call her Mamas because when we first got her, the first year after she was born, she had a kid. Got nailed by a beagle. She is a Chihuahua, part Chihuahua, part Dachshund. She got nailed by a beagle and had a Chiweagle. Had to get rid of the dog after weaning him. Place where we were at couldn't take enough. Couldn't take any more dogs. And we already had a couple more dogs anyway to our menagerie. A long while ago. A long while ago. She's been with me and my brother for a long while. She was supposed to be our mother's dog, but yeah, Brat's been mine, Dave's. I just wanted to keep in contact with you, Jim. Some days I don't like getting up myself, and I don't feel like living at times. I don't know how I fight through it, except I fight through it. I've been attending church a great deal myself online. The ones out here suck. Church Without Walls on YouTube. There's a guy named Reverend Ed Trevors. He's from Halifax, Nova Scotia. He's got a thing on YouTube Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. Usually the Monday, Wednesday, and Friday is about, about 9 o'clock in the morning. Saturday gets late, it gets in the evening. He's a very busy rector. Nice guy. I talked with him a few times. Well, as much as I could on chatting. And if you could check the YouTube out, you can check out Church Without Walls with Reverend Ed Trevors. And he's got streaming services and he's also got clips. He's non, oh, actually, he's Episcopalian, but he's doing non-denominational at times. He's got an interesting chat group. I worry about these guys a lot. Got involved with a chat group. I'm usually a guy trying to stay the hell away from people, but now I just needed to connect. Hardest damn thing is losing family members and feeling disconnected. That's what I've been doing for a hell of a long while. So once I do the online thing, I'm trying to get connected. It's not like the real thing where I get to hug somebody. Especially if one's going to be a whiner baby. She just wants to fuss. She just wants to fuss. Put her on the floor, she'll be spinning around like crazy, saying, "John, I can be let go of me." You know, she's that way. We're that hooked up with each other. Hang in there, my friend. Hang in there, Jim. If you want to chat, dude. My line's always open. Take care.